a patented platform. So what you see in front of us is the patent that has been granted to us under US patent number 12-160-426B2. And what I'll be demonstrating is a video demonstration of this auditing platform and how it allows any containerized application to be able to deploy it in such a manner that any side effect network transactions are captured under the user's identity. So we'll be using certificate client auth in order to perform this demonstration. You could further read this patent and research it to get more into the details of the design that we put this together with. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and perform a demonstration. So I will go ahead and do a login example app. So once I go to this application, it's asking me which certificate I want to sign in as this demonstration makes use of TLS client auth. So I'll go ahead and use my first account that I have here. So I press OK on that. So now the application is loaded. This is an MVC application written in Django, but it could have been written in any other framework, be it Python, Node, Go, and we'd be able to deploy it inside of our platform so you could see it as an application. We also have another port at the same time. So this port is there to give us a demonstration of how this particular application that's loading is running queries in the back. And all these queries are being audited against the email address of the user and a timestamp. This could also be used to audit any other requests, such as an OpenAI REST request, any other REST request. So if I go ahead and refresh my application over here, I could go back and see the system now detected some more queries were executed, and they were all tagged against the user's identity and a timestamp. I'm going to go ahead and perform a insert by submitting the form. So I submit a form, and we see some more queries were detected. In that, we see a insert query that was ran by us submitting the form on our application. So the application did not require any particular changes. Everything we're seeing was really done by the platform. It was able to capture all the queries the application is running without us having to change the application at all. And everything went against the username that we were logged in with. So if we went ahead and did the same thing in, let's say, incognito mode, so we bring another window and we do example app. Now log in with a different user. There. So now we're able to load the application differently under a different user. So if we go ahead and log in now, we'll choose that same different user, and now we see that queries are being logged against that different user. So we went ahead and reload the app. We look at our query log window, and we see some more queries were logged as the application is running them. So let's go ahead and do sample company test. We're going to copy that. We will run it. And this created a new table row. But if we go back to our audit log, we will see that another insert statement was captured here against the user name and the timestamp, which allowed us to capture the query that was ran in the background. So essentially,